Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Sarah, the cocktail edition. We're filming today at Caddy's as always. Today we're going to be making a Chelsea Sidecar. It's named for the Chelsea Hotel in New York, and it's something that I thought would be really light and fun for spring. First things first, get out my trusty shaker. I'm gonna fill it with some ice. We're going to add 2 parts gin. If you don't care for gin, you could substitute vodka. It just wouldn't have that fun, earthy herbaceousness that the gin has. Now I'm gonna add 1 part triple sec. And the next thing we're going to add is some fresh lemon juice. The triple sec's gonna get that sweetness in it. This is gonna help with the tart. All right, now we're just gonna shake this vigorously to get it nice and chilled so all the flavors incorporate together. All right, so we're just gonna pour. I've got a little bit of lemon zest that I just wanna put on top for a little pretty garnish. It is so light, refreshing, it's delicate. This is the drink to try this spring. It's a Chelsea Sidecar.